saw my little.
Oh wait, hold on. There's video. Oh, taking video. What's up, Jose? Rick. The little boat. The rocks. The boats run. We got two of them together right now, though. So.
You throw a whole fish over there? No, it's a whole weight. Damn, fool.
Oh, he put a big ass weight on there. That's why.
Quarter pounder? I don't know. Something has to fucking nab. You know what I mean? We're all trying different skills right now.
Let's go somewhere. Hey, we almost won earlier in the day. Fuck it. At least we caught some. We got something.
We're all trying different skills, and then whoever catches them, we're all trying the same thing,
fucking sporting earlier. Now we're just fucking.
Go back over there. Let's go fishing the magic boat.
We're on a
That's why it's the magic boat, dude. The magic happens.